how do I create a grid that is different than the home grid that you see by default inside of 3ds Max? Maybe you're building an object that is rotated at a 45-degree angle, and building everything right here on the home grid, or even on some of the orthogonal grids, becomes problematic. Well, it's very easy to create your own grid inside of 3ds Max. If you simply go under the Helpers tab here inside of your Create panel, you'll notice that you can create a grid. So I'm just going to drag one of these out, and then we're going to rotate this to some interesting orientation. So something that just looks very, very cool and kind of different. Now, if we right-click on this grid, we can choose Activate Grid. And as soon as I do this, you'll notice that the home grid that I had a second ago disappears. So if I deselect, you can see my new grid back here. My home grid is actually still there, but it's grayed out and almost completely invisible. So now if we go back to the Create panel and grab, say, a cylinder, as we create that cylinder, you'll notice it's being created on that new grid.